Danke bafethu. So uMhango laphana very talented attacker weMarumo Gallants uzoyishiya i-team end of season yabo. So isizini-ke all in all nje iphela ngeyi-20 Danke bafethu. So umdlalo weMarumo Gallants uMhango uzoyishiya laphana i-team yabo. Lo mdlalo wayedlalile Orlando Pirates neMoroka Swallows namaZulu uzohamba isizini mayiphela. Kusho ukuthi i-contract yakhe ngeke bayirenew ngoba lo mdlalo una 32 seka-strugglile ngempela ukudlala ama-game laphana ku-Gallants because for the past 5 games udlale nje i-match eyodwa futhi nakhona ungene e-second half yabo. So this season overall udlala ama-match-ke amaningi-ke like ayi-25 for Marumo Gallants washaya 5 goals une-assist-ke elilodwa laphana lo mdlalo lo, but-ke in recent games or recent days vele uyastruggle ukudlala. So bona ukuthi uzoyaphike lo mdlali but i-agent lakhe likhulumile laphana kuma-reports ku-Fast Sport waconfirma ngempela ukuthi lo mdlali uyayishiya i-team. Nawo amagama we-agent yakuMike kuthi-ke into engingantshela yona ukuthi uMhango uzoyishiya iMarumo Gallants makuphela isizini uzojoyina i-team entsha yabo. Uthi uma ubheka uMhango ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu this season for iMarumo Gallants and umake sure ukuthi he gives everything anayo for i-team yabo. Kuthiwa ngiqiniso-ke leli ukuthi uzoyishiya i-team makuphela isizini. So ilona iMarumo Gallants igijimisa i-top 8 laphana ukuthi qualify for i-MTN 8 next season, but-ke bahleli laphana ku-number 10 bana 31 points after i-27 games, but-ke bazodlala neMagesi final match-ke yiyo ezodecide ukuthi bayawina and then they will be hoping ukuthi amanye ama-team azodropha ama-points yabo. Mawubheka overall i-career kaMhango in terms of i-future yakhe i-good ngempela or i-career yakhe overall i-good, but the problem is that unama-discipline issues yabo. Ama-issue wokuba ne-discipline ngempela the way a-reacta ngakhona to certain situations the way nje ama-reports ake avela vele ngayo ukuthi uphatha kanjani outside the field of play and esemdala lo mdlali lo ukuthi mhlampe a-behave this way. But-ke overall ngamshayela ihlombo ukuthi current season akaveli lutho vele ukuthi okay uziphatha kabi uziphatha kanjani. I think seka-improvile uyakhula, but sometimes nokumbona ukuthi unalo lelo consi lelo egroundini nanokuthi u-reactive kakhulu ey'ntweni ey'ningi. So bona ukuthi yiphi i-team azoyijoyina laphana ku-PSL ngoba-ke ilona nangu uyaconfirma phela uMike i-agent lakho ukuthi uzoyishiya iMarumo Gallants uzojoyina i-team entsha laphana ku-PSL, asazi ukuthi uzojoyina yiphi. Lo mdlali lona-ke emalangeni ukhulume ngendaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi cishe wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs few years back, cishe wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs but i-deal yakhona azange iphumelele ekugcineni, but-ke he was on his way to Naturena yabo. So but-ke i-deal azange ihambe kahle. Ngicabanga ukuthi uMhango la abangamsayina khona angakwazi ngempela ukudlala u-creative, u-eda ispark phambili, u-eda nje something massive to the team. Noma ngabe yiphi i-team ayidlalelayo uyambona ukuthi u-strong ngempela, uya-contribute yena, but mangalungisa like izinto ey'ncane zokuthi i-tempo yakhe the way adlala a-reacta ngakhona to ama-situations, just afocus ebholeni kuphela ngoba uyambona ukuthi inkani too much yabo. Just focus on the ball of playing the beautiful game, akhohlwe ezinye izinto. So bona ukuthi uzoyijoyina yiphi i-team cause vele i-transfer window iyafika very soon. Danko bafuthu.